Good morning, welcome back to Short Reviews. My name is Jesse, and today I'm reviewing Revolver by the Beatles. This is number 3 on Rolling Stone's 500 Greatest Albums of All Time, and this is a masterwork. It's everything the Beatles did with Rubber Soul taken to the millionth degree, with the things that they did with song textures and structures, experimenting with different instrumentations and genres, and the idea of using the studio as an instrument. It's got more ideas, more wit, and more life than most other artists can pack into an entire catalog of records. It's startlingly original and still as memorable, fresh, and catchy as the day it was first released. I'm giving Revolver a 4 out of 4.